Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and the reward wallets for the new Shelly testnet are out now. So you can earn real rewards on your Cardano holdings that you have in a Daedalus wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it's done. So let's jump right in. All right, so I'm on the Incentivized Testnet website now. I'll leave the link down in the description. So the reward wallets are now available. So I'm going to show you how to install the wallet, but there's a couple of things that I want to go through first, a little maintenance, and I want to do the verification. So if you want to skip ahead, I've got a timecode table of contents down in the description below. You can skip to whichever part of the video appeals to you most. Basically what we've got here is my Daedalus wallet. And what you're going to need if you want to participate in these testnet rewards is the recovery phrase for these wallets. Now, you'll notice I've got a total of 3 here. This wallet storage had around 22,600 ADA in it on the day of the snapshot, which was November 29th. I went ahead and moved that out. So I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Now this shopping wallet also had about 500 ADA in it on the 29th. So I'm going to demo how you just get that out of there. Basically, we don't need the ADA in there anymore, and it's a bit of a risk to expose our recovery phrase to the internet. So what I'm going to do is just completely empty out both of these wallets. I've already done one. So what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and add wallet here. I'll hit create, and I'll call this one shopping 2. All right, so we'll hit create there. And it's going to give us a recovery phrase, a new recovery phrase. All right, and then after you write it down, you're going to need to refer to it to complete this little puzzle here. We want to just click on each word in order. All right, and so that's going to give you an empty wallet. We're going to do a receive there. We can copy the address into our clipboard. Let's go over to our shopping wallet. This is the wallet that had the ADA in it during the snapshot on the 29th, right? I don't need it anymore. I'm going to just move it to a safe place. So I'll click send. That's the address. And the amount, I'll just put $399. All right, so you see there that I emptied out the wallet. So I have 2 empty wallets here that are eligible for rewards because they had balances in them on the snapshot. Now, you may think that this step may be a little extreme, and you're welcome to skip over it. Like I said, I got time codes down below. Skip right to the wallet part, right? So, but this is just a precaution. All right. Now, like I said, we want the recovery phrase for storage and shopping, not the new recovery phrases when we do our testnet recoveries. All right? All right, so I in the past have noticed that when Daedalus is running, the balance snapshot wallet gets a little flaky, so I'm going to just close Daedalus down. I'm done with that. All right, now for those of you who want to jump ahead, just jump to the time code in the description below if you want to go right to downloading and installing the rewards wallet. But I'm going to do a little maintenance. Those of you who may have downloaded and installed the test wallet might want to just clean things out before you install the new one. All right, so I'm going to get rid of my old balance check wallet to Daedalus balance check, right? I'm just going to get rid of that. It might be okay to leave it in there, but I like to keep things nice and clean. All right, I'm going to close that. And then one more thing I'm going to get rid of. I'm going to go over here to my files. I'm going to go to my C drive. I'm going to go to users, my name, and then app data. If you don't see app data, go over here to view options, view tab, and make sure you've got show hidden files and folders and drives ticked, right? So we'll dive into app data here. We'll go into roaming. And then down here where it says Daedalus balance check, let's just get rid of that. All right, and then you can empty your trash. And so now we're clean, right? We're ready to roll. So let's go download the wallet. We'll go down here to delegate your stake. We're not running a stake pool. That's for the big boys. We're just the end user who wants to delegate our ADA. So let's hit delegate your stake. Go down here to the wallets. I'm going to download the Windows version, so we'll just click that. All right, I'll drop it in my downloads folder. I can verify the checksum. I'm just going to copy that into my clipboard. I'll go over here to online. All right, and this is, I'll put a link to this in the description. We're just checking the integrity of the file we just downloaded. So we'll go over to our downloads folder. We'll select that installer we just downloaded. And we want to run the SHA-256. All right, and then I'm going to paste in the one on their website. That's the one the developers gave me. I'm going to compare it to mine to make sure it matches, right? And then there's one more check we can do. We can download this PGP signature. We'll drop it in the same directory as the installer. All right, and then we can run Cleopatra and do a cryptographic verification of that PGP signature. All right, now you'll want to make sure that you have the IOHK signing key in your keyring. If you don't, if this looks weird to you, go ahead and skip it. Go straight to the install. Or you can refer to a previous video where I go through this whole process. I'll put a link to it up in the description. All right, at this point though, all I need is decrypt verify. Go to my downloads, gonna select the installer, make sure that you've got the PGP signature file right next to it, just in the same directory. All right, you want to see that nice green verification status. Make sure we've got a good copy of this wallet. All right, now that we've verified it, we're ready to install. Let's go ahead and run the install in our downloads folder. All right, double click the installer there and install the wallet. Okay, and then we'll just close that. We can go ahead and launch over here. All right, we'll hit continue here. We'll agree to the terms of service. Go here and let it launch. All right, so the wallet took a few minutes to launch, but that not very long, just a couple minutes. All right, so we want to do a restore of our Daedalus wallets. All right, so we're going to type those in there. And it wants to give it a name. Let's call this Shopping Restore. Just, it doesn't really matter what you name it, but I'm going to be a little OCD about it. Now you see there, it immediately recognized the balance that I had in the previous wallet. So that's really good. So, but it is going to take a bit to sync. So why don't I go ahead, while that's syncing, I'll go ahead and add another. All right, and there's that 500 that was in there on the day of the snapshot, the 29th of November. All right, and then let's go over here and look. Looks like we've got that one fully imported. We'll let this other one do its thing. So I can create a new rewards wallet. I'll hit create new. Hit create. And we'll call this one Shopping Rewards. Okay. Give it a password. Continue here. Now, whenever I write my recovery phrases down, I always put the name of the wallet and the date. The date is very important. That can help you when you've got recovery phrases laying all over the place and you're not sure if it's the most recent one or what, but when you see the date, you think, oh yeah, I remember that's the one that I did on that day. All right, so let's, the name of the wallet. All right, and we'll say, yes, we wrote it down, and we'll do this puzzle again, where we just have to click the words in order. And you'll note that these reward wallets are 15-word recovery phrases. Like I said, it's best to write them down on paper and store them in a safe place. There are some other options with metal that some products that can allow you to store your recovery phrases using metal pieces that are fireproof, waterproof, shockproof, that sort of thing. There's, but don't keep it digitally, right? That's the best practice. Okay. And then this last one here, you're going to need the recovery phrase for this wallet if you want to reap your rewards on the mainnet, right? So the recovery phrase is very important. Doesn't look like you'll be able to just transfer them mechanically through wallet to wallet. You'll need to do a restore in Daedalus, right? So let's hit confirm here. It looks like I recovered 2 wallets. You may only be recovering 1 wallet. But it looks like after we create this rewards wallet, we can just move everything into it. All right, so we've got a blank, empty shopping rewards wallet that I just created. And let's just go ahead and move these balances in. All right, shopping restores a balance wallet, currently holds testnet ADA. Move testnet ADA to rewards wallet to delegate your testnet ADA and earn rewards. So let's hit that. All right, we're going to go from shopping restore to shopping rewards. We'll hit continue. All right, we'll type the spending password. It allows us to move all of it, minus a fee. All right, and then I'm going to move the one from my other wallet into the same one, right? Okay, and there we go. All right, so I got the test balances from both of my balance check wallets. Remember, these are not the actual ADA that you have in your Daedalus wallet. That ADA is still right where it belongs, right? All right, so on this tab over here on the left side is where you can control all of your delegation and staking. So you've got these 3 tabs here. So the Delegation Center sort of shows you the current epoch, which is basically just a time frame, and it goes for 24 hours approximately. You can jump in anytime, but you won't start earning rewards till after the first 1 or 2, I believe, has passed. Now, it also shows your rewards wallets down here. You might have created more than 1 if you wanted to, and maybe spread things out a little bit. You could create more than 1 reward wallet. All you have to do is go up here and hit a plus and create a new wallet. But in my case, I just have 1. I'm just going to dump it all in 1 wallet, try to keep things simple for you guys. All right, so we'll go back over here. So like I said, I only have 1 reward. Now I can delegate from this link, but you can also go to this tab here and look at these different stake pools. And there's quite a few of them here. All right, and then over here, it shows you your rewards that you're accumulating. Like, I don't have any at the moment. Now, you can delegate right from one of these too. You can just click here, and it'll explain what it's about, and you can just click Start the Delegate process here. Let's see, this one's ranked number 1. I don't know if that means it's better or not. Profit margin 6%. You might want to, you can also click on these links and open their site, find out what they're all about. So each one is going to take you to a different website. We can start here. We can go to this one. Right. So you can read up on these, do your research carefully, but I'm just going to jump right in so you can see the process, right? So I'll take lucky number 7. Just for the heck of it, right? I'm going to delegate to this pool, right? Now I need to select my wallet and my stake pool. We'll hit continue. I only have 1 wallet, rewards. We'll hit continue. Stake pool is already chosen. That's epic, or I can choose another one, right? I've already got epic chosen, so I'll hit continue here. All right, and then I just need to enter my password. All right, so I've delegated, and then they give me a little time frame here. I'm not going to start earning rewards until I've been in for an epic or 2. And then we can check rewards and download transactions. So let's see. Yeah, looks like you can undelegate any time or change at any moment. It's just that, you know, once you're going to need to commit yourself for a few days in order to get the rewards. So you might want to, you know, choose carefully and stick with one for a little while, earn some rewards before you decide to jump ship cross streams, right? But your ADA is complete. You've got complete control here, and you're doing this within the wallet, so you're in good shape. All right, so that's it. So if there's any questions about anything that I did, please throw them up in the comments. I'll do my best to get them answered. Don't forget, I have a live stream every Friday night, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please join me for my live Q&A from Michigan, where you can throw out questions, and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me, and hope to see you again soon.